Hello everyone, my name is Lovett, also known as Chikres Empire. In this course, I will be teaching you customer relationship management, a very important skills that can help you grow your business. If you are looking for skills that doesn't require coding, but can help you deal with people better and improve your income, then this course is perfectly for you. We all know the first impression matters. CRM helps you create that strong first impression so customer trust you and keep coming back to you. This is true. No business can survive without customers. I agree 100%. And how you can manage your customer determine how successful your business will be. If you don't manage your customer very well, then your business will not grow. You won't have customers around you. So you need to build this trust. Every person who have been successful in business, the first thing they do is to build a trust, which is very important. It is one thing to get customer, but it is another thing to keep them. The R in this CRM means relationship is the most important part of this topic. R alone means relationship. If you cannot build a relationship with your customer, girl, believe me, it's going to be difficult for you to grow in business. This skill is perfect for business owners, job seekers, or anyone who wants to grow or earn more income to help their day-to-day activities. CRM is a high demand skills. Companies are always looking for people who can manage customer properly, and this gives you an advantage to be among those people. You can even use this as a side hustle. Go to your 9-to-5 job. Keep this as a side hustle. Some companies hire remote customer service workers, meaning you can work from home and earn money. This is valuable skill that can change your life. I'm excited to take you through this course. Let's get started.